if that doesn't take me out, that's gonna be a real miracle, to be fair with you. Is this push any sustainability to get through the previous highs and get through this level, previous all another highs, or we before that we have to come back and to sweep a lot of liquidity? That's the question. I don't know if that's what's gonna happen. Like there's a big potential for the upside, but it's just depends a lot of factors. Like this might be strong push, but okay, that wick, well, it's quite greenish, well, but it has to go up and over. I mean, it has to continue if you want to see a progression here. Let's see if we have anything here to do. Okay, first things first, I will be considering more on moving my stop loss as soon as possible, then to adding, and after that we will be considering if we want to add. Okay, that's the plan. So first things first, stop loss move, and then we check if we can do anything about adding. Okay, that might come back here to test that level. So if we go to 50, that's 50. I mean, where's my, why I didn't move? Yes, this is how you add to the position. This is how you add to the position. I mean, I feel like this kind of being the longer run possible target, but this is how you trade on the momentum. Yeah, I think it's not stopping today. It breached that highs, which were, now we don't have anything else to do, or we have a big pullback, but still we will probably go and check something inside too. So what did I managed to gain another 100, because I think it was something like, or another 90. Well, it's not, I don't know, it's good, but on the other hand, it's a bit, my stop was here, right? That was like perfect tag. 14 con, so I added twice that, but the range was, yeah, so that's just a little tiny touch more. That, yeah, that actually was plus. So I added to my position like 20% but that thing. Okay, let me think. Um, that was good in one way, but in another way, that was a bit lousy entry. Like, I added so much at the top of the top, and this push might be very huge opportunity to hit a lot, and big targets, not like previous highs on here. Okay, okay. Like, I suppose that's truly a valid target, which would double my size, but that was nice push from inside, momentum to the outside. Actually, I could have added here a bit. I was hesitant. I was moving my stop loss then. But overall, nice trade. I managed to squeeze a little bit more than I could, which is also nice. So nice week start, because I'm probably not trading tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So these 2 days brought me. Oh, I'm still down 3,000. Okay, but that's the job. That's my job, to be consistently profitable. Okay, so now we are forming this 15-minute range, which is quite an interesting range. Okay, we tag that low, we high, right? No, still not. So we're going down. So what do you want to say? This is not. This is just during that session. Also, there was big pull up to this like some magic level. There's something here, like the air on this tin 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 tin. It's interesting. But today we're gonna break it, and you know when? Well, Nvidia earnings are today. So what do you think? What's the probability of that coming here or here, and then when Nvidia posts its bad earnings, we will demolish all that move? I mean, like, it just, everybody's getting. Wow, I would have been stopped out, by the way. Yeah, it's nice to take profits. And it's nice to take profits at my. Wow, look, all the way, all that move has been like, I would be now devastated. I mean, if that comes back even here, wow. What do we have? These levels, if we come in strong, that means that we can definitely go down. And everybody's will, like, what? That's the strange move. Is it like, actually, what's going on in the market? Why? Like, we are. If we would go buy the market, it wouldn't do this. This is like taking out the longs. I mean, This is weird. This is weird. We came back to middle Fibonacci, and okay, so if we don't accept this area, because this is a 50-minute opening range, now we're at the middle. It was the same actually yesterday, but and then we accepted this place and we continued to drift down, which also is in play, this probability. So let's see what happens on today. But like from the price action, it kind of stalled, which might indicate us that it's but spending some time below, you know, that's in. Okay, well, let's see what happens. It's the same as yesterday. We went one way and now we're coming back another way. I'm a bit concerned that this is quite like small place and we can wick it and come back, you know, but now we can just, you know, there's two ways for this. We tagged in and we reverse, or we continue to drop down. These are two options. Now this is a 15-minute range, and if we are strong we will continue, but this is also value for yesterday. I wasn't sure about this trade actually, you know. It was very concerning trade. Now 500s, will it hold? What? Now it's like sellers still in quite a bit of control here, which is also indicates me that maybe we will be adding if we accept. Okay, let's see what. There's many levels here, many weird levels, like a pivot, like also a VWAP where we have to go below or above. First of all, I'm moving my stop loss, okay, which is this one, okay. I don't want this to come back here. Maybe like everybody's there, right? So let's see. Okay, now we tag to yesterday's range. Wow, this if that continues to drop, then we are rolling downside, downhill. Now this is a place where we have a pullback, right? This is a place for a pullback. This is a good place for a pullback. Yeah, we didn't quite manage to get that. Okay, I like that. I still have a nice job here to be done. Okay, we tagged inside a little bit, which is like, is this it? Is that it? We still can come back here, right? Okay, I'm risking this. Maybe that was too early with the ad. Okay. Reject. If we want to continue down, we have to reject here when within few seconds or minutes. Okay. Okay. I mean, I managed my trade very well. Okay.
Mama, talo mama, talo mama, talo mama, talo mama. Suka, talo mama suka, talo mama suka, talo mama suka, talo suka mama. Juga mama talo, mama talo, kalau gimana? Bagus siapa?
Now the question for me is, do I want to take this trade of but you know, after I see this like back and forth action, I'm a bit hesitant on that. We still are in the first trade. That's the problem. We're still in that trade, by the way, but because I added and I moved my stop loss, I'm not in that trade anymore. Which sucks. That sucks. From yes point of view, we are accepting inside range. Yeah, that's still I wanna get in. Okay, my trade is over. Okay. And yes is dropping. Like it would accept the range. What's the range, by the way? With how many contracts I could enter this? Maybe with one contract. Let's just try with one. But it didn't feel right. Like, I mean, if that comes back, maybe with for a 50, maybe I can do it on demo actually. Just why to waste my, you know, my mental capability. And here we're gonna do it with, so 40 with 6 contracts. We are okay. It's still 4 minutes. Do I want to do? But no, I'm done on that. Wait, what? Why I'm here on not on this one actually? On this one, on this one. I'm still in a trade, by the way. That's pity. I added too early on this flush. Ką? Ką? Ne, nenoriu girdėti. Okay, that's unfortunate. That's unfortunate.
Apkabino mano pilvą, pradėjo glostyti, sako,
Ma- Okay, I think we're done for today. This is my profit. I'm still down 3,300. Jesus. How did I get there? It's quite fitting because it was a win for that second trade, but I moved my stop. I moved my stop too early. I'm thinking, and that what just fucked me up. From the momentum perspective, that was pretty speedy, and I was expecting, okay, now we just drop, right? There's nothing stopping us. Why we wouldn't stop? This just drop. No, market did have its own opinion. But well, you know, it is as it is. This is not bad. That break even, maybe if I didn't add, but I still would have been. I moved my stop. Well, that was on 50, so when it's on 50, I don't want to lose everything, like, because it's 1 to 1. So I think I did not do anything wrong here. When it's 1 to 1, you actually want to like adjust your risk. It's a pity I gave that back, but well, this is what I earned before. It was supposed to be today 250 because no, that was supposed to be 1,000 today. That was supposed to be 1,000 according to my everything. But now it's only 500. Well, because yesterday was supposed to be 250, but I got 600. So, one day you get some, another day you lose some. I wonder how this trade is gonna perform. I'm really interested. If that will go all the way down here, we'll have to see. Okay.